Creating the Node wallet. You heard that right. This is a big step, and from a security standpoint, it's imperative to follow best practices. Hello all, JT here. Before I go into this lesson, I must tell you that I teleported here from the future. I had to rush back and add even more interstellar wisdom to this intro. If setting up your node is giving you some gray hairs, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But I think it's a good idea to do a shallow dive on node wallets. In the previous lesson, you started up your Rocket Pool smart node. Your node's execution and consensus client should now be syncing. Once they're in sync, even if you went bye, you would still be contributing to Ethereum's decentralization by running the node without actually staking. Starting now, you need to start thinking about handling actual assets that you want to stake. To stake with Rocket Pool, you will need what's called a node wallet. This is an Ethereum address which your Rocket Pool smart node automatically controls by having access to its private key. Now think about this. Any Ethereum address, including your Rocket Pool node wallet, whose private key is on or has ever been on an internet-connected computer, is called a hot wallet, and you should never trust significant funds to one of those. In a future lesson, you will set up a separate withdrawal address, which will be the address where your rewards are staked and your funds will wind up. This is separate from your node wallet. The node wallet that you are setting up in this lesson should not have any significant funds in it. Just a little bit of ether for gas for the transactions that your node will need to perform from time to time. So to be clear, we are setting up the node wallet in this video, and you will eventually also have a withdrawal wallet as well. The good news, creating your node wallet takes one step. Here's that command, that one big command. You ready? Rocket Pool wallet, INIT. Rocket Pool wallet, init. Isn't it fun? Oh, yeah, you see what I did there? Okay, seriously though, pay attention to this warning here that creating a wallet will print sensitive information to your screen. Are you sure you guys want to continue? Before you proceed with this step class, clear your room of anything or anyone before beginning. Especially you, Guido. All right, I'm gonna head out. I was gonna help you check your security, make sure you're spelling everything correctly. I'll be on
Thanks
my
for
way.
your help.
When you're ready, type Y for yes and hit enter. You'll now be asked to create a password first for your wallet. This password will need to be at least 12 characters for good measure. Make it longer. Heck, make it a phrase that you can easily remember. Whatever the case, make it unique from any other password you own. The tricky part here is you won't see your cursor move as you type. This is expected. Once complete, hit enter. Then confirm by typing in your password again, or passphrase, and hitting enter. Boom. Now this is critical. Below, you can see the Magic Wallet security juices in action. This is your seed phrase. It should go without saying, but your phrase will be different than our phrase. It's also known as a recovery phrase or mnemonic phrase. Anyone that gets this can drain your wallet, or maybe they just hang on to it and quietly sip funds from it. Not your phrase, not your wallet. This seed phrase, write it down. Write it. Don't take a picture of it. Once you've written it down, double check your spelling and definitely check the number of words. You should see 24 words. How many, class?
24.
That's right, 24 words. Wait, you didn't write down my seed phrase, did you? Beanie? River?
No.
Okay,
no.
hand them over. Oh, wow. Well, that's actually impressive. You did that. Is this calligraphy? That's astonishing, actually. Now, when you're ready, it's going to ask you to confirm these words. First, type in the number of words in your phrase. Ours is 24. Then hit enter. Now you'll be asked to confirm word number 1. And again, the cursor does not move. Just type it in. press enter, then proceed with word number 2, and so on. Check this out. If you mistype a word, don't worry, you'll get told to retry. As you can see right here, look what happened to word number 7. The good news is there's only so many words in the encryption that can be used. If it's misspelled, it will trigger a redo. There are only 2,048 possible words that can be used, so that's good. But the bad news is some of them are very similar. For example, anger, angle, and angry are all possibilities and nearly identical in spelling. The first 3 letters are the same. So there is this small possibility you could accidentally misspell your intended word and end up accidentally putting in another word on the list in the field and never even know it. Don't let this mistake happen. Once you've successfully confirmed all 24 words, you'll be greeted with a screen which states you have initialized the Node wallet. And you now have your Node's wallet address. Go ahead and save that as well. This piece of information is okay to copy to the clipboard, and if you save it to a text file, that's perfectly fine. Well done. This is your new Node wallet. The private key is stored locally on your node, encrypted by the password you just chose. But the password is also stored locally on your node, so the security steps you completed earlier are essential for keeping your private key private. If your node is ever lost for whatever reason, you can recover your Node wallet using the secret recovery phrase. Okay, great job, class. Stay tuned. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.